1. Think about your personal experience. Everyday life. What do you do in your daily routine? What are your typical activities, challenges, and joys? Work/study. What are your responsibilities, challenges, and successes? Interests. What are you passionate about? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Travel. Where have you traveled? What did you see and experience? Family and friends. Who are the important people in your life? What are your relationships like? 2. Reflect on current events. News. What are the major news stories happening around the world? Social media. What are the trending topics on social media? Culture. What are the latest cultural trends, movies, books, or music? 3. Consider typical IELTS speaking topics. Work and study, your job, education, career goals, challenges, and future plans. Home and neighborhood, your home, your neighborhood, your favorite places, and changes in your community. Travel, your travel experiences, favorite destinations, and plans for future travel. Food, your favorite foods, cooking habits, and cultural food traditions. Entertainment, movies, music, books, hobbies, and leisure activities. Health and fitness, your lifestyle, fitness habits, and views on health. Environment, your opinions on environmental issues, sustainability, and climate change. Technology, how technology impacts your life, your opinions on social media, and the future of technology. 4. Brainstorming techniques. Mind mapping. Write down a topic in the center of a page and branch out with related ideas. Free writing. Write whatever comes to mind for a set amount of time, without worrying about grammar or structure. Question and answer. Ask yourself questions about the topic and write down your answers. 5. Practice speaking. Record yourself speaking on a variety of topics and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Role play. Practice speaking with a friend or family member. Take turns asking and answering questions about various topics. Remember, don't overthink it, relax, be yourself, and let your thoughts flow naturally. Keep it simple. Don't try to impress the examiner with complex vocabulary or grammar. Focus on communication. Your goal is to communicate clearly and fluently, even if you make a few mistakes.